Hello everyone, myself lecturer Ms. Aditi Anil Kushare, Master of Pharmacy in Quality Assurance Techniques. Today we are going to see the topic Sexually Transmitted Diseases from Health Education and Community Pharmacy. The topics to be covered in our today's session are as follows: syphilis, gonorrhea, AIDS. Sexually transmitted diseases, that is also called as STD. The diseases which we are studying are gonorrhea, syphilis and AIDS. First of all, see about syphilis. Is a chronic systemic infection. Incubation period is about 10 days to 10 weeks. Average period is 3 weeks. Causative organism, that is Treponema pallidum. Mode of transmission, it is mainly spread by, first of all, by the sexual contact with the infected partner, and also which is less common, that is through the blood transmission and mother to child etc. Stages are syphilis course of disease if untreated, that is primary chancre, it is 10 to 90 days, secondary eruption 6 weeks to 6 months, and the tertiary disease, which is the longer phase, that is 10 to 30 years after primary period of latency. Prevention and control, that is detection of cases, use of contraceptive device, avoid unsafe sexual contact, create awareness about STDs, that is sexually transmitted diseases. Gonorrhea causes the infection by gonococci, produce local complications like urethritis, endometritis, etc. Also produce the systemic complications like dermatitis, meningitis, etc. Incubation period for this is 3 to 10 days. Causative organism for this is Neisseria gonorrhea. Mode of transmission, mainly spread by sexual intercourse with infected person, and it may transfer from mother to newborn child. Signs and symptoms for this in case of male include purulent with pus, urethral mucus membrane with dysuria, that is painful urination. In case of female include dysuria, frequent urination, increased vaginal secretions etc. In case of children's, accidental contamination of eye. Prevention and control, detection of cases of gonorrhea. Cases of gonorrhea is identified and investigated. Then use of contraceptive device. Avoid unsafe sexual contact and create awareness about STDs, that is sexually transmitted diseases. Acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, also called as AIDS. Chronic infection with HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, reduce the immunity to other infections. Incubation period for adults, that is 8 to 10 years, for children below 5 years within 2 years. Causative organism is HIV, that is human immunodeficiency virus. Mode of transmission are sexual contact with infected person, through infected blood products or blood transfusion, by sharing contaminated needles or syringes, infected mother to fetus, also through the body fluids like semen etc., and also through the unsterilized piercing blades etc. So the signs and symptoms for AIDS: first symptoms appear within 6 weeks of infection, in that swollen lymph nodes, fever is fatigue, rash, sore throat etc. Other symptoms are fever persisting for more than 1 month, unexpected weight loss, diarrhea and tuberculosis etc. Then prevention and control for AIDS: the create awareness about HIV, human immunodeficiency virus in children, use protective measures like condoms etc., screening of all the blood products and tissue for transplant, use sterilization method for instruments used for piercing of nose and ear lobes, use of disposable single-use needle and syringes, by avoiding pregnancy by infected women. Next, use proper protection by healthcare workers like hand gloves while handling infected patients, proper behavior with infected people, and the correct and complete information is the key to AIDS prevention. In that, how the HIV, human immunodeficiency virus or AIDS, acquired immunodeficiency syndrome can spread, that is through unprotected sex, then receiving HIV infected blood, then by using unsterilized needles or needles previously used, and from HIV positive mother to her baby. And the HIV, human immunodeficiency virus, or the AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome, does not spread through the touch, through the mosquito bites, by working together, and by sharing food, clothes and toilets. The learning outcomes from our today's session, that is sexually transmitted diseases, the learning outcomes are syphilis, then gonorrhea and AIDS, that is acquired immunodeficiency syndrome. Thank you.